Hello Sleekbill users. Welcome to Sleekbill Knowledge Hub. In today's video, we will see how to show the contact person in the quote to section of your quotation in Sleekbill. Let's start. First, open your browser and visit the Sleekbill official website. Once the website opens, click on the login button available at the top right corner of the screen. Now enter your registered email ID and password. Then, click on the Sign In button. After successful login, you will reach the Sleekbill dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, go to Documents section. Then, click on Quotes and Proformas section. Now locate the option Show Contact Person in Quote To. Enable or turn on this setting. After enabling the option, click on the Save button. Now whenever you create a quotation, the customer's contact person name will automatically appear in the Quote To section.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with others in need. For more videos like this, click the bell icon and subscribe.